Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Christopher Thomas of Mayberry Investments shared that many investors sold Jamaican stocks to participate in the SpaceX IPO, despite the company reporting losses of US $4.9 billion last year and US $5 billion during the first quarter of this year. Thomas told RJR News that the rush by Jamaican investors to exit local positions contributed to significant volatility on Jamaica Stock Exchange. According to Thomas, the exchange was forced to trigger a circuit breaker mechanism 22 times last week, with most trading holds occurring after stock prices fell by 15%. Under JSE rules, trading in a stock is suspended for 1 hour when its price rises or falls by 15%. He noted that investor demand remained strong, and SpaceX shares rose from an opening price of US $135 per share to close at US $165.65 last week. Mayberry Group paid $1 billion Jamaican dollars for the Equity Capital Management Limited 20% stake in Dollar Finance, which gives it majority ownership of Dollar Financial. First Rock CEO Ryan Reed Premier Private Equity Company owns the other 9% of Dollar. For the first quarter of 2026, Dollar posted a net profit of $187 million, a 55% increase year over year. It increased its loan portfolio by 15% to $5 billion and grew its asset by 30%. Mayers advised Hour Today that he intends on investing in a number of diverse businesses, keeping faith in Jamaica's productive and business sector. The equity has 7 portfolio companies, including Elite Concepts and Solutions, MD Link, Johnston Development Group, M24 Investments, and Pinnacle Insurance Brokers Jamaica Limited. For the trading period of June 15, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 14,878,146 units, representing 32.74% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 5,431,413 units, representing 11.95% of market sales activities. Productive Business Solution Limited US dollar ordinary shares with 3,989,602 units, representing 8.78% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 15, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.40 and buying at $159.02. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.14 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.26. That was bought for $109.12. The British pound saw continued volatility. It offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.63 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.58 and was bought for $210.95. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, when most people hear the term credit score, they immediately think bank loans, mortgages, credit cards. And while those are certainly important, A strong credit profile can do much more than help you borrow money. It can open doors to professional opportunities, entrepreneurial growth, and greater financial flexibility throughout your career. In today's economy, your credit score and credit report have become part of your overall financial reputation. Just as employers review resumes and business partners evaluate track records, lenders and financial institutions use credit information to assess how responsibly you manage financial obligations. A strong credit profile creates options. Whether you are pursuing a promotion, starting a business, investing in equipment, relocating for a new role, or expanding your professional network, access to financing can often accelerate your goals. Individuals with stronger credit histories typically have access to better lending terms, lower interest rates, and faster approvals when opportunities arise. The key advantage is not simply the ability to borrow, it's the ability to act. In our funded and focused feature, every week I meet business owners who are exhausted. They work 12-hour days, they manage staff, they solve customer problems, they attend association meetings, they volunteer for causes they care deeply about. They sit on boards, they mentor young people, they support their churches and communities. Yet, despite decades of effort, they remain financially stuck. The uncomfortable truth is that billionaire status is rarely achieved through labor alone. In fact, many billionaires work fewer hours than the average small business owner. So what's the difference? The answer lies in the financial tools they use. Billionaires focus on acquiring assets that increase in value regardless of whether they are personally working. So the examples include equity in companies, real estate portfolios, intellectual property, infrastructure, technology platforms. Billionaire wealth comes from ownership, not activity. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.